Breaking news tonight out of Henry County. A tanker truck has overturned on I-75, shutting down all northbound lanes, and it's causing a huge traffic nightmare. Sky Fox 5 is live right now over the scene near Hudson Bridge Road, and you can see the tanker there on its side. A car was also crushed in that accident.
Well, amazingly, there are no life-threatening injuries from this crash, but the traffic is horrible. Police are turning people around and sending them up on the on-ramp to get out of that backup. And the surface streets in the area are packed with cars. Now, we're going to keep an eye on this situation, and we will let you know when those lanes reopen.
Also